Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the cutting table in Windrose. This is especially useful for making higher grade recipes in the cooking fire. So first of all, go ahead and find some copper ore inside of the coastal jungle. Then you'll want to make copper ingots inside of the smelting furnace from some copper ore and charcoal. Also you'll need some wood. And in the building, manual, crafting and utilities, you can go to the tab cooking and here you'll see the cutting table. You can go ahead and place it inside of the bonfire range, and this is going to allow you to cook level 2 station foods. As you can see, we got the level 2 station. So this is pretty much all how to get the cutting table in Windrose. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.